5, 4, 3. Alrighty, tidy. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening, everyone. What is everyone up to tonight? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. M3 is Aura Farm. That's why I got it, bro. To Aura Farm. What's up, youth? What's up, Blixie? What's up, Fabian? What's up, Perseus? What's up, Hi? Unc, you forgot my account? I didn't forget it, bro. Did WAP choose the winners? I gotta give those. I still have those accounts. I'll give it to you. When you move into BE, I mean, I'm just keeping it here for now. How is everyone doing?
Where the hell?
How are we? Blue, you're funded on what? You got my first payout? You got your first payout, youth? Good shit. Good shit, bro. Whip looking sexy. Appreciate it, bro. I got my 6th account blown today, bro. I made you 800? Hell yeah. I'm $1,000 off from passing my Top Step account. You got this, bro. Top Step is not hard to pass. How many contracts is that on the screen? Just one. I'm only in one contract. What's the next whip? Honestly, I'm probably gonna trade the M3 for probably like a Porsche, like next year. I don't know. We'll see. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on these here. All right, Key. I got stopped out on those. This new 4 hours should
Yeah.
set us up good for that 450.75 though.
Yep. 450.75. I'm taking. I have some slightly above actually. I have 64.25. I like 64.25. 56 is also good. That's the CE. But 64.25, I'm a fan.
I have 63.50.
Actually, wait. You might be, hold on. Give me a sec.
I'm peeping out on the 15 minute. It does look good on the 15 minute. 64 level.
Nah.
What do you no.
That 50.75. 63.50, I do like, actually. So let me remove this. 63.50 I like. And the next one I like is the 57 level. It's right at CE.
57, dude. I mean, it's gonna bounce from one of those three.
Yeah. 100%. It bounces from somewhere down here. If this is bullish, yeah, it bounces from somewhere down here. Yes.
Yeah. I don't know why I bought the lifetime access. I mean, dude, if you're gonna fucking complain, ask for a refund and then leave it, bro. Like, and then I'll drop the order flow course after you leave, and then you can buy it again. Like, what? Like, you want me to just fucking like? I'm not gonna sit there. Like, the order flow course is coming soon, but I'm not gonna sit there and rush through a course that's gonna dictate how people trade. So let me take my time with the course if you want it to be good. Otherwise, I can drop a pretty shitty one. New 4 hour about to open. Should we be worried? Worried for what? $463.50 is also a decent level. And then a 5 point stop from there would be 58.50. And then 457 is another long level. And then 452 is stop there. Damn. That's a lot of levels. One of these is going to be the reason market bounces out of this 50. I'm really banking on this 15-minute gap for a move higher once this new 4 hour candle opens in 2 minutes. My favorite session to trade, probably London session recently. Let me 4 hour into you, Shinobi. That makes no sense, bro. So, what else is going on? Donating your profits of floods in Punjab. I already donate a lot of money, bro. I donated to Manukta Di Seva, bro. I'm not gonna donate to floods, profit stuff. I gotta pay for my shit too. But I do donate a lot already. But I just saw a video of a farmer and he was like leasing a bunch of land, and the land that was leasing got flooded, and now he's like a bunch of money in debt, bro. If there's a direct GoFundMe for that guy, I'd donate to that. Do you have gold? What do you mean? Never got stopped out on MNQ. That's crazy.
Candle needs to open up, then
Bro,
go
what is
lower,
this
then
bullshit
go
key?
higher. Yeah, why are you being mad emotional, bro? Can you
I'm not being
relax?
emotional. I'm just, dude, I just hate when the trade idea is right and then I move my stop up
The
too
trade idea is
aggressive.
still right. This 4 hour still needs to go lower.
Oh,
You know
no,
that,
it
right?
does, but
Like
I'm
4 hours
saying,
still
like,
has to go lower.
I just hate when I set a stop and then I'm too aggressive with it.
There's a very good chance that this goes lower before it takes any of the TPs.
Probably.
So even if it takes previous day high, like the first previous day high here, New York highs, if we can leave 552 intact and then come lower, still a valid trade.
Yeah, there's no wick on this candle either. Should continue lower.
Bro is pissed he went break even low key, bro. I promise you, I'm so chilling.
Dude, he's so pissed.
I'm up $50,000 today, bro. I'm not pissed.
Dude, I just know you're
Trust
pissed
me.
off right now.
Yo, when you say it, I just want to punch you in your jaw, bro.
You won't do shit, bro.
But if anybody else says it, it's cool. But it's just you.
You won't do shit about it, dude. That's all I know. Anywho, we should sweep this high and then go lower. That's this high that we're attacking right now, 515. That's the previous 4 hour high. So it might need to do a little sweep ski and then go lower.
Kick. Why don't you trade on kick? YouTube's better, bro.
Dude, no one's gonna no one who casually scrolls kick and then's like, oh, here's a new stream. Let me go watch it.
Up 50K, bro's capping. Bro, you must be new here, gang. Twitch, I don't know about that.
All right, guys, we should sweep this high and then go lower. Let's see what's going on. Look at this. Let's see. Be bullshit. I thought you top of mountain got motive wave any Sierra charts. I don't show that shit on here, bro. Let me just show my proprietary trading strategy on my free YouTube stream so people can copy and R about my strategy. Would you look to potentially short here, or are you only wanting longs? I only really want longs. I wouldn't really look to short until like probably like 570s area. This is where I have levels at, but right now this is what I'm watching over here on this 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so whoever got into our bottom tick alert, you guys are up.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, you do.
Keyflower.
Yo.
You don't have the 6350 limit?
Huh?
You don't have 6350 limit?
I don't have any limits on my chart right now at all.
Bruv. To be honest, bro, we're probably not. It doesn't look like it's gonna pull back. It might go to that 72 level and then go from there.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, there's gonna be another entry. I don't really mind. I would rather not be in a long when this 4-hour has no lower wick, anyways.
I couldn't give less of a fuck if I'm up. Anywho,
What trades you take today? I did a
72.
recap on both the trades that I took today. Both of them were on the live streams. First one was on New York live stream. The other one was last night's Asia live. I don't think this manipulates Asia lows. I'll be honest with you. I think there's a good chance this could be low a day down here. I don't think it goes there. But inside of this range, it will pull back, and this 4-hour will get a lower wick. Yeah, stream on here, bro. Stream here for New York session and for Asia session, both.
Any opinion on 569? I like 572. Won't you look for sales after liquidity grab? No. I'm going to wait for it to go higher. Do you feel gold manipulates and wicks your stop loss a lot more than gold? I feel like gold manipulates and wicks your stop loss a lot more than gold. I don't know. I don't exactly know what you're asking. Like, I don't really trade gold. Do you feel that NQ manipulates and wicks your stop loss out a lot more than gold? Not really. I just have a habit of moving my stop loss to break even or at the low that we make really fast. If I kept my stop loss 5 to 10 points, like there, I would have caught this entire move. I had my buy at like 87 here. This is where my buy was. That would have been a 50-point move. I'm actually kind of annoyed I got stopped out of it. Realistically, I shouldn't really be taking this I shouldn't be taking this these trades on this account because this is already qualified for a nice little payout. But I low-key want to go for a larger payout. Thoughts on 535? I mean, guys, you got to stop asking me for thoughts on a specific level and just like explain to me what you're seeing here. What do you see here? Like, after 53 ticks, how did you get that number? Did you go back and journal? All right, so we swept this high. Let's see if we continue lower here or even off this 15-minute CE. Let's see what they do.
Should be getting it soon-ish.
Yo, you wanna know
If not today, you'll get it tomorrow for Apex. But if you passed it, you passed it.
Did Subby get his Apex activations? emailed to him?
No, 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 no. I don't think so. Not yet. I think they're gonna take a little bit to send them out. Probably a fuck ton of people passing yesterday, bro.
Yeah. Bro, I had so many people come over my house today while I was sleeping.
What? You were sleeping in the fucking living room?
Yeah. Like, let's not act like
They
that's
just they just
that's
they just walked in and saw your ass just sleeping in the living
no, like a
room.
bunch of people saw on like my Instagram and stuff because I reposted you like congratulating for the car and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and then hella people were just coming by, like, and waking me up to say congratulations. I was like, yo, like, let me sleep, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I was asleep, and then Shub and Karn showed up and woke me up, and then I was just like, bro, fuck this. Like, I'm trying to go to sleep. I had a crazy weird dream though. You want me to tell you about it?
Yeah, hold on. Did bro from stream yesterday pass evals? Yeah, we passed all his 20 evals this morning, bro. So yeah.
Yeah. Shout out Subby, bro. I'm so
Um,
happy for him.
I know, bro. Yo,
Why
don't you
should
fuck with Subby, bro? I told you, bro. Subby's
I
the goat.
do?
Now, everybody I brought over, bro, they're cool people, bro. Julian's a fucking dope dude. Subby's cool. Provy's cool.
Bro,
All good dudes,
Subby and
bro.
Probby confused me. I thought
Great guys.
Subby was Probby and Probby was Subby.
Don't worry, I thought the same thing at first.
And then
Sometimes I still fuck it up.
literally, bro. But like I was saying, I had this crazy weird dream. Yo, chat. Do you want to hear about my dream? Is he the one that flamed Justin? Yeah, this is Key. Justin was copying our alerts. Anywho, enough of that. We already yapped about that today. But bro, I had this crazy dream. Ready? For some reason, you know, like what Section 8 housing looks like?
Mm-hmm.
Like the apartments, like the projects, like those apartments.
Mm-hmm.
I was in one of
Mm-hmm.
those. I was living there for some reason in my dream. And then I walked over to this one rather dark fella, and he upped the switch on me. And I'm trying to make my way out of it. Tall, bro. He turns around for some reason, shoots his fucking friend. Next thing you know, I run back home. I tell my parents, I'm like, yo, do not go outside. There's this one crazy ass motherfucker living here. And then I locked the doors, all this
So
shit,
you're
bro.
living in Section 8 in your dream?
No, it was like I wasn't living there. I was like visiting someone. It was like weird. But I was like, yo, we cannot leave like until this guy leaves. Like this guy's a sicko. I just saw him kill someone. And then
Somebody goes, a project dream is crazy.
you remember the street sweeper from Warzone?
No.
It was that one automatic shotgun.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. So then the next thing I remember this a lot more vividly in the morning, but for some reason, like like fast forward, blah blah. There's something to do with someone stealing a bike. I don't know who stole it, and I don't know how it got into our possession, but it was at my crib. This guy shows up with a damn street sweeper, bro. So me and my family and everyone, we dipped out the back and we left, but we're checking the security cameras. The guy had a street sweeper, and there was like 8 of his friends, and they were all geeking over this like little children's bike. And then one guy bumped into the dude with the street sweeper, and then he just offed everyone with the street sweeper, bro. And then I was just like, what the fuck? And then I woke up, bro. It was like so weird.
It's like the most retarded dream I think I've ever heard in
No, it
my
was
life.
so bad. Like I actually like I don't understand how there's meanings in dreams, bro. Like someone said fuck ass dream. Like, bro, and you know what's the worst thing? Whenever I'm having like a bad dream like this one, no one wakes me up. The second Kendall Jenner is about to touch her lips on my dick is the second someone wakes me up from my dream, bro. You ever had that happen before, Key? Actually, don't answer that.
No, I've never had that happen.
No. It's okay. You can tell me. You can tell me in confidence.
I am telling you in confidence, never had that happen.
No, this isn't in confidence. This is in front of like 1,000 people.
Hold on. Do you happen to know the probability of a candle forming a wick? Like this current 4-hour candle, it doesn't have a bottom wick yet, so what's the...
Yo, do you guys ever have like crazy dreams like that? Like just weird ass dreams? like just super weird dreams. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that a green screen, guys? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wait, let's see what it looks like at night. Hold on, let's look at it at night. Ready? Hold on. Let's see. All right, let's see what it looks like with the lights off. I wonder if it looks cool. All right, I want to see what the stream looks like with the lights off. Oh, that's kind of hard. That's kind of hard. No, it is nighttime, but I want to try something. I want to try something. I want to see what it looks like. Nah, that's sick. Hold on. Oh, that is sick. Oh, no. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm doing it one more time. One more time. Ready? You guys see that F3 lighting up? Oh, that shit is so hard. Do a trend where you shake ass on the car. That is crazy. You guys fuck with it like the nighttime, or do you guys fuck with the? Wait, hold on. Let me ask Key. Yo, Key.
Hmm.
Do me a favor. Go to my stream real quick. I
For
need
what?
I need your thoughts on this. What do I turn the lights off or keep them on here? Are you on it?
Turn them on. Oh
All right.
shit.
Wait. Look. Are you still on there?
No, I got off of it. Just turn them on.
No, dude. I was gonna show you something cool.
Okay. It's actually better be cool, or I'm blocking you.
If it's not cool, it's your fault.
All right.
All right,
I'm
you
here.
there? Look at this. Look at how sick the lights look when you turn them on. At night.
Okay. Yeah. I'm actually blocking your YouTube.
Dude, that's your fucking fault, bro. That's literally your fault.
Banked on this because of you, bro. Let's fucking go. At least somebody banked on it. You guys took this actually. How long you been trading? 7 years in November.
All right, guys. For my next trick, I'll be releasing carbon emissions inside of an enclosed space.
Who's this guy on live? He's name and weird dream guy. Shinobi.
Dude, someone called you a
$2
nerd.
from passing the account. Yo, those last $2, Vince, are gonna be the hardest fucking $2 you're gonna make in your life, bro.
Is it to pass an account or
Yeah, it's to pass an account.
No. The hardest $2 he's gonna make is when he's $2 off of a big payout. Like you currently are.
I'm not $2. I'm like $200.
Yeah, it's the hardest $200 you're ever gonna. Can you just give them $200 per account just to get?
Low key, right?
Be like, hey guys, I'll wire
Yeah.
you the 4,000. Send me back 36K.
Yeah, dead ass, bro. I wish I could just fucking do that. It's sick.
Bro, I'm so hyped.
Take one micro and press sell. That's how you lose $10.
Are the discounted funded PAs going back to normal after Thursday? Yes. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try something new. Ready? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try something. Hold on. What does this thing do? All right. What does this do? All right. Does it do anything? No. What about this? Does this do anything, guys? Or this? Or this? Or this? What about this? Or this? Damn, it's not doing anything? Damn, my soundboard's fucking bullshit. I need to fix my soundboard. Oh, where's my YouTube chat at? Boom. Who is Keyflow? He's my friend. Do I have to activate the account on Apex before the end of Thursday or just pass it? Pass it, and then you have 24 hours to activate it.
Sideways today. Why? What did you do?
Yep.
What rule did you break? Well,
Just rev the car. Why do we get rid of the limits? Because we went for the highs instead, and now we're just waiting for the market to do something. Will you join the Robbins Cup? No. What the fuck is a Robbins Cup? Rev the fucking car. Shut your bitch ass up, man. I want to make AI video of you doing some freaky shit, bro. You're a weirdo. Yo, I'm honestly, bro, I would, but it's nighttime right now, and I don't want to open the garage. Oh, you're asking about the Robbins Cup? Why no Robbins Cup? Bro, Robbins Cup is so like. First of all, I barely know what it is. I think that's a forex thing. Second of all, Robbins Cup, bro. Like, I trade for what? What do I gain from that? You know? Oh, it's only for futures? I thought it was forex. If you win it, you'll be a billionaire. We're making Clash Royale clan, bro. I'm already in one. Yo, speaking of, bro, let me run a Clash Royale game. Let's run a Clash Royale game. Me, Dutch, Spiffy, and Tig have a Clash Royale clan. So I have a level 15 Mega Knight Elite Evo. I have a Dart Goggins, level 15 Elite Evo. I have a level 13 Goblin Barrel, level 15. Look at get rid of my Goblin Barrel. I don't really like it. I have a level 13 Wizard. I have a Skeleton King. I have my level 15 Elite Arrows. I have my level 15 Elite Log. And I have my level 15 Elite P.E.K.K.A. All right. Let's play. L Mega Knight user. Mega Knight, you fucking stink, bro, dude. I paid to get my Mega Knight level 15. He's so good, bro. I don't care if he sucks. Dude, I hate people who use like minions and shit, bro. They're so annoying. Oh, this guy just Mega Knighted me back. What an absolute dickhead. Dude, he's gonna fucking fuck me up. And he dropped a peck on the other side, bro. Fuck this guy. Fuck him. Dude, the P.E.K.K.A does so much damage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, this guy cooked me, bro. This guy just cooked me. No, you're not playing 2K, bro. I'm not playing 2K, bro. I played 2K for like 3 years in a row. When I started training, I spent so much money on the game. Just for it to be like the next 2K comes out and I gotta do it all over again.
Matter, she calling me husband, bitch like a rabbit, she jumps her assumption. Go on. Damn.
Oh, what's this freestyle?
Damn, cop. Bitch ain't no telling me shit, I go do it on post to fuck. I might be dumb if I post you. Sitting here thinking like, how do I know you? Shit. She got me sitting here drinking. I'm sitting here thinking like, when did I phone you? I'm in a V12, I'm on total. I find a 10 and I take her to Noble. I'm with this 10, she love going to Noble. But she say her favorite Chanel. I'm like, free all my brothers in jail. I'm like, bear, if you kiss me, don't tell. Yeah, I let her stay for a day. If somebody bring it up, I'm wishing her well. I'm not the type to go play with her. I send a bitch off like Mel. Yeah. God, take a flight to the West like Shite. Like Hollywood hotties, I love to collect. Like heartbroken, Kevin Witt, I don't fuck with nobody who people is weird. Like too much horsepower, can't even steal. Like I'm so high like a chandelier. Damn. Says she don't wanna think, she only need me to kid. I got people depending on me, so I don't got the privilege of tears. Can't even cry no more, it's been so many years of me battling fears. I'm just trying to get rich with my peers. Hard pick, got the ticket and shared.
Damn, you fall right to your knees right when I approach you. I've been tripping, I feel like I own you. She know she a 10, I ain't even gonna hold you. She politic, I don't pick up my mobile. Too much noble, let's head to Chanel. Roll up blunt cause I don't wanna dwell. They don't cross me before, now they wishing me well. Is you really for me? I can't tell. I cannot end up in a cell. I was broken, I got up and got it. Had coins in my pocket, I had to prevail. Off the walk, yeah, I'm hard to compel for a feature.
Turn this shit off, bro. Shut up, bro. You guys are DTMing, bro. I was listening to some shit.
Damn, I told her slowly. Oh, this what we doing? If you nasty, don't flash your tears.
All right, we swept that high. We're going lower right now. I'm not really seeing anything too enticing. To be honest, those lower limits might get hit. Yo, we might go for those lower limits now. It looks like this 4 hours about to go green to red.
We are going to go for those lower limits, and the 4 hour is going to go green to red, and we are going to put in a 4 hour wick, just like I said.
And we are getting SVJs next year.
Yeah, that too.
Hold on, dude. Let me check.
Exactly.
Wait, did that new SVJ show up to JNS?
What? Which one?
The new SVJ, bro. That Cullinan that we were looking at, the white one, 320K. It's. I thought it would be like way more.
I know. That's what I'm saying. That shit was actually like pain, bro.
Dude, that F8 Tributo was
It was sold, bro, on Forge.
300. That was fire. It was a crazy spec.
That thing was so
that
fire,
4x4 G wagon. It's only 284.
I know.
Wait, they have a They have a 488 Spider, but it's a shit spec.
Yeah, I can't. You know me, bro. I don't buy shit specs on Forge.
Your first cool car was a shit spec.
And there we go. 4 hour low has been taken. There's the wick now being put in. Very nice. Very nice.
5CS is so sick. I think Subby's gonna get it. He was talking to me about it last night.
He is gonna get it. But he's gonna. I told him to wait till he's like paid out from Apex. Yeah. Use like the Apex payout to fund the dreams, you know.
That would be fire, bro. A 40K Apex payout, he gets M5CS. That would be.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. It'd be so gas.
Yo, is that XM that we saw, the champagne quartz color that he had on his M4, his F82, Rahul?
Uh-huh. Wait, what?
That's sick.
Wait, what were you saying?
The XM that was there, was that the same
Uh-huh.
color that Rahul had on his F82, the triple individ?
I don't think so.
That's a sick color. I'm not gonna lie. They had a wait. They have an M4CS there.
I know. We saw it.
Oh, I didn't think it was. I didn't think we saw one. The
We did.
G82.
Huh?
The G82, right?
Yeah.
Ram 1500.
Yo, I'm a big fan of 56, bro. I really am.
I like 56.
Fucking huge fan of
too.
56
I
right
removed
now.
my other limits.
I know.
I
But I'm a big fan of 56.
I'm a big
PE.
fan of 57.
Okay. Who's your sweetheart desires, brother?
The level's 57. Where are you seeing 56? The CE?
Yeah, CE, bro.
I'm gonna take 57.
All right.
How much of a shame would it be if it fills me and then doesn't fill you?
I'm watching gold on the right hand side too, by the way, guys. Gold longs and then maybe NQ longs if we can get down there. These are two levels I like: 67.5, 56.75. 56.75. I can put in some risk.
Dude, that
What?
fucking 600 LT was cheap as fuck.
I know.
Bro, wait, would
Why do
you?
you think I went to go buy it?
Yo, if that Urus was actually Grigio Telesto, I think you would have walked out with it.
Oh, it would have been so tough.
That would have been
because-
so fire.
I know. I know.
Shinobi has a 30% win rate. LOL. All right, so that right there is a BMW M3 competition with carbon ceramic brakes, Alpine white exterior, ivory individual interior, X-Drive, fully driver assist package and everything. That's what the 30% win rate got me. Type shit. Anywho. Yeah, but the Grigio Telesto, dude, it was a different Grigio. I was kind of pissed. I'm looking at that McLaren right now. You know what changed my mind about McLarens? Course? No, dude, my course actually got me a bunch of properties. That's it. I don't really spend my course money anywhere else.
Wait, you were talking to me? I thought you were talking to somebody on your stream, gang.
No, I was gonna say, remember, you know what made me fall in love with McLarens? Remember that one McLaren we saw when we were driving next to Turnpike?
Oh, the blue one, right? 720S.
Yeah, that's that. When I saw that in person,
that was like 2 weeks ago. You fell in love with McLaren 2 weeks ago.
yeah, I don't really care about McLarens up until then. I saw that shit and I was like, yo, that's fucking aura.
Yeah, they look good, bro. 720S's just look really, really fucking good.
600 LT's like fully Alcantara interior.
Yeah.
Like you cannot bring dirty bitches in that shit. Twin turbo V8.
What did you just say?
I was reading what it. What?
Did you just think that the McLaren is 600 LT? Wait. I need you to repeat what you just said, bro.
3.8 liter V8 twin turbocharged.
Oh, I thought you were talking about something else. Okay. Get a slide.
How is a 2015 Huracan more than a fucking 2020 McLaren? That's just bullshit. Like
Huracans are way more. They're way more reliable, so they just hold their value because of that. You can take a Huracan to like 60 to 80,000 miles, and you know.
I've heard that.
What was that F90 chop and text again? Pure performance.
The red Huracan was cool, but that's kind of gay.
Somebody goes, "Do you like us black gents from 63rd?" Bro, I like everybody, bro.
From 60. Yo, wait, they have a SF90 Stradale. I wonder if SF90s are going to drop a little bit more in price.
Probably.
They're such a cool looking car, though.
Yo, George better buy a 720S for me, bro, so I can go buy it from him.
Dude, I told George to get me a SVJ Roadster, bro. He's not listening.
But he's not listening. Maybe because the only thing he heard you say the entire time was, yo, guys, let's all split an SVJ. The only thing he heard you say. First impression of you is you saying, yo, guys, let's split an SVJ.
And he was on board with it. He was literally like, yo, I think you guys should do it. That
Well,
fucking
yeah.
Lebanese motherfucker, bro. Dude, he's across the room. And then I'm just like, I said as a joke, I was like, yo, guys, let's split an SPJ. He walks over that bald motherfucker. And
No. I just see his bald head like turn around from my peripheral, bro. I caught it from my peripheral because I saw the shine. I saw the shine like shift, and I was like, wait, what is he looking at? I look over, he's looking at us, and he's got the biggest smile on his face, bro.
And he's like, yeah, you guys should
Stubby,
split
what's
an
good, bro?
SPJ. Oh my god.
I'm there 9 a.m. tomorrow. I just woke up from nap. Nice, bro.
Yo,
Yeah, pull
Subby,
up
you
9
want
a.m.,
to
bro.
Subby, you want to pull up right now? I'm here.
Ain't nobody pulling up right now, twin.
Nah, if Subby wants to,
It's
he can.
10:30. He's not going to.
Yo, I can't believe people put front license plates on. The front license plates should not be illegal.
The indicator is right here, bro. Here, I
Or
see it
not
from
having
left.
front license plates should not be illegal.
That's a Jersey thing, though. And a few other states, but yeah, it is retarded. Are you in one of George's vids? No. I bought my car from there. I bought my GT3 from there, but I did not want to be in this goddamn video.
Shinobi, how
buying, like,
much you?
5
Oh, hold on, let me. All right. Shinobi, how much you make it from your Apex code? Last month I made 8K off my Apex code. I made 8K last month from Apex. I didn't really make that much. Like, I don't make as much, like, as people think. Like, from core, like, people say course, I don't have a high ticket mentorship. I have a low ticket, but I'll make, like, 5K off that. Not much. Most of my money is trading it. He won't post a track record. I mean, if you guys look, I've been posting broker statements on my Twitter since 2021, since I was 18. So, like, if you guys don't think I have a track record, it's because you guys just haven't seen me. Like, this year, you just found me. What's your limit on boy? My limit is 250 or 457. You thinking of modding the M3? Yeah. Thought you're 40, bro. I'm 23, bro. How much from all codes? First of all, like, see, like, this is what I hate about answering these questions. I just answered one question, and then everyone wants to ask more and more questions. Like, oh, how much you make from this? Yo, Strat Forge, how much do you make per month? How about you tell us? And don't lie to us.
So, Chat, herzlich willkommen zu Bootcamp Day 1. Ich erkläre euch jetzt ganz klar, warum es wahrscheinlich eine der besten Entscheidungen eures Lebens wird oder wahrscheinlich eine der besten Entscheidungen eures Lebens werden könnte.
So, yo, we think someone's just making YouTube videos for fun, 30-minute YouTube videos for fun, and has no idea that he has no intention of dropping anything else. Wenn du das nicht ankost, welches du will Geld? Frankfurt, Düsseldorf, Wolkich, der in der Bewegung.
Beantworte ich eine Frage, die sich jeder Trader schon gestellt hat. Funktioniert Daytrading wirklich oder ist es überhaupt möglich mit...
Yeah, bro. It's German? Dude, I don't even know it. I don't know those different languages. What's your Twitter? It's at Shinobs. At Shinobs. On YouTube. Or on Twitter. Yo, what's good, Stamina? You know what? I don't feel like banning you today. Need signals now. I have a long limit. All right. The dude, Elite Trader Funding, bro, I would not promote them. One of my friends had a 100K payout from them, and they literally made him sign an NDA and only paid him like 20K. ETF sucks. I just got 1K on combines and cooked. That's crazy. Is Unc alive, bro? I get bored, bro. Hated Apex till evals are 20. Bro, people hate on Apex, but they've been like one of the first futures firms for a while. Who's at headquarters now? No one. It's just me. Is that your M3? Yeah. Did you buy your mama a crib? Of course. That was the first. That's why I waited so long to even get like a decent car. That was the first thing I did. Let me pull up, twin. I'm in New York, bro. One day I'll make a thing and I'll let people pull up. Revit right now, bro. It's closed. Like the garage is closed. $5 or 10 point stop. I'm gonna see once we get filled. I got some ground beef and rice, like a real man. Do you sleep in the warehouse? No. Yeah, I have a little red band on my wrist. Why? Oh, nice. Burp for daddy? What? This is your new setup? Yeah. Guys, the US has more unemployed people than job openings right now. That's insane. If you guys have a job, do not leave it. Hold on. I'm sending out the codes to the 4 winners from yesterday. Did you go to college? Yeah, I dropped out after 3 years. But yo, guys, on some real shit, do not quit jobs. Did you drop out? Yeah. Nah, this is ground beef and rice. I was pre-med. I was pre-med before I dropped out. I used to work 2 jobs, guys. When I first started trading, I used to work 2 jobs. How much were you making before you dropped out? Bro, probably like 40, 50K a month. Honestly, I wish I didn't drop out. Cause I'm like I wish I just completed because I would have been done by now. But I know I'm not gonna go back now, so. Mind clearing the background? Thanks, bro. Dropping out to your first payout? That's stupid.
What's good, my nigga?
The reason I regret dropping out is because I would have been finished with school already, like by now. It's not that I'm like, oh, I wish I. It's just like, I wish I just did it just to do it, you know? And like I just stuck through it, and because it's like, it wouldn't have been anything much different. Hold on, guys. Why are you sitting by your car? Because it's a cool background. I usually set my limits at the furthest fair value gap, the furthest PD array. Bro, I didn't have any day ones to switch up on. I literally didn't have friends. Hold on, I'm gonna grab a coffee. Go to the bathroom.
Like I said, second trade that I take on gold and last trade for the night on gold. And then I'll just watch the NQ limits because I have a pretty good feeling that we may catch a low a day on NQ again. Looking at 81.7 for gold long. That's kind of like where I am as well. I passed my evals on 1 day X10 account. Nice. What's the 4-hour 1 day indicator? Right here. HF candles body. Did you bank yesterday on the long? Yeah. NQ limits. I'll show you guys NQ limits in a second. Just wait for this gold to close. NQ limits 67 or actually 56.75. I like more. 56.75 on NQ. I like a lot. 15-minute FVG CE 56.75. I'll switch over to NQ chart in a second and I'll show you guys for the people who are just joining. But the gold limit close enough that I'm just going to sit on this. If you guys go back like 10, 15 minutes on the stream, I explained the gold limits here, exactly where they're derived from. Look, I got NQ right here. See my face cam disappearing? I got NQ right there, so I'm watching it on the right side. Don't think I'm not watching it. Just got the emails. Subby, I'm not going tonight, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's fucking deep. That's doing way too much. I'll be there tomorrow, though. I'll be there tomorrow. Just be there tomorrow. Pull up tomorrow. Be straight. Do you teach this top and bottom tick live for free? I mean, I break down all the trades for free here, yes. If that's what you're asking. Is your name Keyflow? Nice creative name. Yeah, it is. Thanks, man. Where's that sell for gold? It is 78. So 4 points. 4 points. 4 point SL on gold. NQ making a move lower too. If gold can start pumping here, there's a good chance NQ will then dump into the 56 area. FVG indicator, bro. Speaking of that VG, I'm just gonna remove it right now because like too many people are asking and it's fucking useless. But it is a simple ICT, OB, and FVG. I literally just searched up a random FVG indicator and I fucking equipped the first one I saw. What about 71?
Oh, and just pulling back to our level.
I know. I'm watching it.
You take that gold trade you were talking about?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the limit to hit right now.
Oh.
I had 2 limits. The first one stopped, and then the second one I'm waiting for it to hit.
Yeah, I think Rahul and Subby are watching.
JW just said he's long in gold at 3582.1, bro. I wouldn't be surprised, bro. Maybe he can like actually become a good trader now. He got shit on all of August using his model, so might be better for him. The signal bot me.
God made it work last time. He's gonna make it work again this time, guys. Remember that. I'm not talking about trading. I was talking about overall life. But now that I see why it was funny,
It applied.
It applied. God's plan is worth the wait, bro. I'm not gonna lie. On Twitter, I started liking all these posts about God. Now I see some very wise things being said.
I'm so fried. I thought this was your warehouse setup. I realized it's not. Nah, bro.
Sometimes God makes us wait longer because the blessing is bigger. Write that down.
Why are you just spitting out fucking like what is this, bro? What is this fucking religious propaganda you're spitting out right now? Who put you up to this?
Move like everything's gonna work out because it is.
Yo, you know how many people still right now are like messaging me saying, "Yo, Justin copied you." T Trades just hit me up and he goes, "Bro, copy trades you." To stick a screenshot of Justin's.
T Trades?
Like, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yo, no, you gotta start public beef.
I did, but then I felt bad, so I removed my stories.
Oh, why did you feel bad?
I genuinely because the kid is so bad. Bro, you saw his stats for August?
Yeah.
There's like a 40% win rate with a 1-to-1 RR. Like, he got shit on, bro. I saved this guy's life. I saved his career. This 26K that he just made off my signal bot, like, saved him, bro.
Oh my god. Dude.
Would you crack Tory trades? No, bro. What is wrong with you? What is your issue? Ain't no way gold blocked us to go up. Nah, gold will be fine. In the meantime, though, NQ's actually coming down.
Yo.
So,
Key.
yo.
When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
Bro, what are you saying, bro? Please shut up.
Do you want me to shut up about God, bro? Astaghfirullah.
Like, what are you saying?
Someone in my chat, he said I was in Justin's Discord. He went 0 for 13. Someone asked me, can women's trades? Can
women's trades? Nah, women's are not allowed to trade. Oh shit, gold. As soon as I switch off of gold, bro, shit just fucking.
Can't shit stops God's plan.
Just passing the count on the one trade, shorting those previous day highs. Hell yeah, bro. Go, fire. W God quotes. Bro, Brother, please read this. I paid $4K for his mentorship. He kicked me out because I asked for a refund, and he didn't keep his commitments. After a second refund, I got refund request. I got kicked. Did you get a refund or no?
Yeah, you said this.
Like, did you end
before,
up getting
too.
your refund or no? Hey, Key, shoot me a DM if you want to learn how to trade, man. All love. All right, bro. I will do that right after the stream. I'll hit you up, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Do you think it's
what are your
bad
thoughts
to
on
take a
Jade Cap?
trade
Yeah.
because you know that the market will go one?
He just kicked me without refund 3 weeks in the mentorship.
Yo,
Scumbag, brother.
remember when we linked up with
Scumbag.
Jade Cap and that was the day he got his Ferrari?
Were you supposed to say that just now?
What?
That he got that? I don't think you were supposed to say that.
He didn't announce he got his Ferrari yet. His Ferrari 488 in smoke gray and gunmetal gray. Whoops.
Yeah.
No, I think he already posted it.
I don't think so, bro. I don't think he
Oh.
did. He just kicked me without a refund. Yo, this guy didn't even get a refund from.
Damn. You want to know the worst part? You want to know the absolute worst part? He was probably
What?
dealing with Wob. Because Wob works with Justin. And he deals with all the refund stuff.
Is Trade So a scam? Who's Trade So? What? Were you live this morning for him? Bro. I go live every day.
He's
bro.
talking about Trade
Live
Ski.
every day.
The guy with the face tats who says he makes $3 million a day. No, that guy's a fucking fake scammer artist. He makes all his money off Forex broker deals, guys, and he just puts his trades into TradeZella. He's fake as fuck.
Yeah, he does manually put in his trades into TradeZella like anybody could do.
Yo, stop asking me how much I make off my affiliate codes, bro. I'm not telling you.
Are you gonna short that? Or what? Or what? Talking about.
Wait, Key.
What?
Bro, a Wang Cheng is only 24K.
Bro, what in the hell are we gonna do with a goddamn Wang Cheng, bro?
Bro, tell me the Wang Cheng wouldn't look sick in like the back of in the warehouse.
No, it would look retarded.
It's a golf cart.
Oh.
A little Wang Cheng, bro? Come on.
You think about Desi? Yeah, Desi's a good trader, bro. A good friend. Thoughts on Julian Petrolas? The GOAT, bro. The GOAT.
my
Absolute
God.
GOAT.
Julian Petrolas.
Brabus Wang Cheng? Wait, that's a thing?
Wait, Brabus
Can you
Wang
get a
Cheng?
Brabus Wang Cheng?
Brabus Mini G-Wagon.
Chat, can we get some likes on here? Yo, chat, everybody like the goddamn stream, bro. What are you guys doing with your lives? Like the stream up. Stat, bro. Stat, like the stream up.
Yo,
Trader
Key.
Kane. Trader Kane is good, bro. He's legit.
Yo, Key, what's the next car for once I'm done with them three? What's the next one I'm getting?
I mean, you got to do supercar. So I'm going to say for you, no Huracans.
Definitely not.
Has to be either a Ferrari.
Dude, I
So-
always wanted a 488 or F8.
Yeah, 488 or F8. Or we do, what's it called? You fit in a 720S, right? You sat in it. How was it?
I didn't sit in one.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
No, never mind.
What about the 6.7 5LT?
No, 765 LT. Anything.
There's also a 6.7 though, but it's 6.7.
That one, yeah, but that one's not good.
Wait, let's
It's
see it.
not as good as.
How much is a F8 Tributo? 280 to 450? I could pay for that.
I could pay for that. Thoughts on C8? Too overplayed, bro. Too many people have them now.
When Key had a C8, like, dude, that was like when it first came out.
Yeah, those peak C8, peak C8. That's when they were super cool. Like nobody could get one and shit. Now,
But that's like kind of stains your reputation. Like, you at one point were a proud Corvette C8 owner.
yeah. Yeah, Z06. Z06s are cool, yeah, I guess.
I'm not gonna
Still
lie,
though,
if it
like-
wasn't for Kia, I would have bought a fucking baby blue C8
You probably would have.
with baby blue interior. I would have pulled a fucking, what's his name?
The new M5 is so ugly. Yeah, the new M5 sucks, bro. I do not like it. I really don't. Not a fan.
The new M5 CS though is sick.
There is no new M5 CS.
The
There's only F90
2022.
CS. Yeah, that's the F90, not new.
That's a F90. I thought that was a. Okay. I see the G90s.
Yeah.
They don't even have a
Guys,
comp,
NQ is almost here at the level. 5675 is what I like, so I'm gonna be limiting that with a 5-point stop loss.
Which one?
5 point. Yo, should we do 5 point? The only issue here is, at this point now, this daily is starting to look like bearish. You get what I'm saying?
We should do a 10-point
only-
stop loss on the 57 because that includes the 50 limit as well.
Yeah, I'll do a 10-point stop loss on this, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. This one, this 56, I did like this before previously.
Wait, Loki, wait,
Now,
Key, hold on.
I don't like it as much.
Wait.
Bro, chill.
Wait, 5-point stop loss, and then another limit at 50.75, 5-point stop loss.
Nah, I'm just gonna do it like this, bro. This is it. This is it for me.
I'm gonna
67.5 was another level that I liked as well, but I'm choosing between one of these two because I'm not gonna like take 2 trades here, especially if I don't love the setup. But I don't love this setup. I really don't. I like it, but I don't love it anymore.
I'm gonna do 2 5-point stops because it equals up to the same amount anyways.
Somebody goes, "What if Justin just took the same trade as you without copying you?" He didn't.
He didn't. There's no.
He's
by the
never
way,
taken a trade like that.
guys, that was an
He
enigma
goes,
level.
"Yo, no way, bro." He goes, "But he's religious though." Yeah, bro. No, you got it.
Yo,
You got it. He's
dude,
religious, so he definitely did not copy my
Oh my
trade.
god, can I speak on something real quick about this guy, Justin? Bro, he created that Christian community thing, by the way, and the entire time what I've heard is that he was shilling his mentorship in there. Like, I hate people who try to capitalize off religion like that, bro. Remember he made a Christian traders community?
I saw you comment on his video, a W key alert. Did he delete it? I don't know if he deleted it or not, but I did comment that because it was a key alert. I don't think he did. Last I checked, he didn't delete it.
Like, honestly,
Bro, it's like it's the most liked comment on his fucking post because everybody knows.
he's better off just being like, hey, like, being like, yo, I took his alert. He's a good trader.
No, he didn't delete it. I see it. I see it still. He didn't delete it. I just checked.
Wait, what?
I'm in his Discord, but I canceled before he copied you, so will be my last month with him.
Yo, Key, what don't you like about the G90?
I don't like the look, bro. It's like kind of like bulky. I like the F90 way more. He had a live stream that was a pre-recorded sales pitch for his mentorship
I
course.
do remember
Hell,
that shit too. I do remember that as
Hell.
well. I told Clayton,
Absolute
I hit
hell.
up Clayton after. I'm like, why is he doing that? And then he was like, bro, I told him not to do it. He wanted to do it.
Hell, bro.
He's literally been throwing his credibility down the fucking drain, bro.
Are you religious? Yeah, bro, I am religious. But to be fair, he has taken trades like that before. He is not. He
He's
simply
never
is not.
bottom ticked in
Ever.
his life. Ever.
He DM'd me after I called him out. He DM'd me, and I showed him. I told him, show me one singular trade you've taken that's like this. He couldn't.
Yo, send me the screenshots of the DMs.
And he goes, "There's no way you're feeding your ego so bad. I'm getting secondhand rage bait by all your yap. Yo, hold on. Nah, bro, like, don't worry, I got something for you. Because this is like the simplest thing that you could do, right? Because we're on the internet. You know what I'm saying? And whenever you're on the internet, you choose what you watch and shit. So now you get to fuck off for 24 hours out of my stream.
Yo, Key, send me the DMs. I want to see how bad they were.
They weren't even that bad, bro. It was him, like, trying to play nice guy. Like, after blatantly fucking copying me.
Yeah, but I want to see what he said.
Yeah, I'm going to show you right now. Gold, almost.
Oh my god. Bro, Qasim's SV, or no, he had SVJ, right? Oh, there was a Qasim spec SV for sale at Chicago Motor Cars. I was like, yo, someone's about to get cracked in the head. Where are you sending me the DM?
I'm texting you.
Yo, you see how much you paid in taxes? Yo, stop asking me fucking questions about how much I make, bro. Are you the fucking IRS? Shut the fuck up. Saying the T word. Yo, Q, do you fuck with 750Ss?
Yeah, it's like the newest McLaren out right now.
I
so
know
it's
there's a
little,
2024 on Chicago Motor Cars in orange.
a little pricey.
It's 365. There's a
265.
2019
Not bad, actually.
911 GT3 RS YC with the Weesh package, 30K plus in carbon.
The Weesh.
Yeah. 600 LT Spider in Napier green on Chicago Motor Cars.
Oh wait, hold on, guys. I got tapped into my last final gold trade. Right there. Yeah, this might be like too bearish for longs.
Did you
Honestly.
text me the things?
Huh?
Did you text it to me? Oh, you did.
Yeah. It might take a little bit to send. Yeah, too bearish for longs, bro. That's the last trade I take on gold. I'm not gonna be long in gold. NQ, pretty much the only thing I'd be interested in. And then that's it. You saw it?
Dude, the fact that he admitted he saw you live, but then said he didn't join it, that just tells me he's lying. Wait,
Yeah. This like kind of edged that 67 level by 2 points there. So I'm just gonna remove this. Actually, oh, fuck it, I'll keep it because level is just there. But this again, NQ at one point did look really good, but right now it looks kind of mid at best, to be honest. So let's see what it could do. We're bouncing from CE right now, this 1 hour gap. Still think it needs to come a little bit lower though. Where's ES at? It's the same level.
Dude, did you call him?
No.
Yo, this is some juicy stuff.
Yeah, guys, this is probably the only. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Probably last trade that I take here on NQ because I just don't see anything else taking place here. If this is not low a day, then it probably wants to go a little bit lower into the 1 hour gap and then put low a day there. But ideally today should be a bullish, like today as in tomorrow's New York session should be bullish. And it should be around this hourly fair value gap is where we should put in the low. Somewhere in this hourly fair value gap is where the low should be put in. And then we go up from there into this 552.5. It's just a matter of, is this the low and we can catch the trade here up to the highs, or is this trade going to fail and we go through Asia lows and make another low at some point?
Key, there was a guy
That's
in
the
my
only question
stream
here.
since the beginning. The entire time he's just been spam asking me how much I make off affiliates. And I told him, and then he just keeps asking other like questions about how much I make. I just banned him.
Aka watching.
Literally. Hold on, Q. I'm gonna find you a cool car right now.
So yesterday you were up and today you were down. How does that affect you mentally? I mean, today I'm not down. I guess if we're counting today's New York session, not down. But how does that affect me mentally? It doesn't really affect me mentally at all. Like not even the slightest bit. Because I know that there is another trade. I know there's another day. and I know there's more wins to take. You know what I mean? Like a few losses should not affect you at all. Not like that, at least. They should not affect you like that.
The whole point about trading, guys, is it's a probabilities game, right? There's not going to be once you come to the realization, once you accept that you're going to lose a lot, not a lot, but in terms of like a lot of money, but you're going to lose over the course of your trading career more times than one, right? What that's going to do is that's going to just teach you like, hey, once you come to accept that you're going to be a loser, you become a good loser, and that's it.
Yep. You really up 50K today, bro? I literally showed you a screenshot of the account earlier. You're the same person that asked me, are you not? You're the same person that said you'd apologize, but you didn't.
Wait.
I hate losing. How do I stop that? Losing is part of the game, bro. You guys gotta understand. You gotta be okay with losing. I'm completely fine with losing.
Once you realize that you can still be a winner even if you lose, that's when you really change the game for yourself. It's not like sports or anything you guys have done like previously in your life where it's like, oh, you lose and then blah, 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 right? What ends up happening is like once you understand like, hey, if I can lose a good amount of times and still win, like the way me and Key trade, it's a lower win rate, way higher risk to reward. We're comfortable taking 2-3 losses knowing that, hey, one win is going to set us 5 times what we lost, you know? So once you start, that's why I like trading a lower win rate, higher risk to reward strategy rather than a high win rate, low RR strat, because it makes me comfortable losing. And I think Keefel can say the same thing. It makes it a lot easier for us to lose and not have that sort of weight over our heads, knowing like, hey, we could lose a few times, but the second we win, it's going to be a big win, you know?
You see this, Keldon? This is across 20 accounts. So that's 60K, not 50 today. Anyways, best loser wins book. Yeah, that is a book. Bro, I love you, bro. I just requested my first payout. You got me good from yesterday, Asia and New York. Let's fucking go, Zaid. Let's go, bro.
Let's fucking go.
Went on mega tilt this AM, was green and should have stopped, but I was copy trading and lost hell. Bro, what did I tell you guys this morning, bro? Yo, I told you guys this morning after that move that was made, after we caught that trade yesterday, right? Or after we trade that after the trade we caught this morning in New York. We caught New York AM low on live. I told you guys, step away and stop trading. I told you guys that. But nobody listened to me. Nobody wants to listen to me.
Bro, to be honest, if I didn't take a nap, I would have kept trading. I took another 2 trades. I was up like a band on the day, and then I fell asleep.
Said, bro, you made 50K yesterday. Why not walk away? That is someone's salary. Curious, bro. Well, so I made the 50K across my Apex accounts. Right now, I'm trading my live account, right? So I'm not losing as much here because this is not across 20 accounts. There's only one account. So I'm not touching the accounts that I made 50K on. I'm just requesting the payout and I'm leaving those. But this is on a live account. It's a completely different account.
Bro,
I was all in today after being careful yesterday. LMAO. Rev, come on. I made 1,100 and turned my shit off. There you go, bro. That's the way to do. You trade every day for free. Yes. How can I learn from you, man? I'm in here, bro. Right here. Is this going to drop or what, bro? God knows, bro. Let's see. Are your NY session? Yes. New York sessions are free. And so is Asia sessions. Everything is here for free. I'll be trading for 7 years in November. This November, it'll be 7 years trading. Isn't trading live accounts for, no.
Romeo made 24 million in trading in August, apparently. Yo, Romeo lives in a third world country scamming people.
Whoever believes that
He's
is
a bullshit
like
liar fuck. That little Pakistani fucking idiot, bro. Lives in a third world country, guys. Talking about made 24 million.
You have a free Discord? Yes, I do have a free Discord. I made 26,595 and copy traded you. W. Let's go, Dakota.
Shinobi talking to? That's my friend Keyflow Trains, guys. Yo, is anyone? Can you think anyone from our chat remembers when we used to trade together back in 2022, 2023? Like way back in the day at the old office?
Maybe. Probably. Actually, I don't know. There's a lot of new people, bro. Like a lot of those people from back then, they did not like survive.
Yeah. It's crazy though. If like people saw us come up from like when we first started.
Used to be in the DC. I know Jen used to be in the Discord.
Thanks, Splooge.
I remember Jen.
Yeah, I think Subby's on
I'll
his
be
way
24
over.
soon. Is he at? No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
He's not.
He is.
Actually?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, he said driving in AM is crazy. He's like, no traffic right now. I'm like, all right, bet, pull up. He's like, bet.
Damn. How much was your warehouse? Curious, bro. No hate or jealousy. Actually, it's not that much, bro. The warehouse is like $2,500 a month. For
That's
a
cool as
nice ass
beans.
fucking warehouse. What state are you based in? I'm in PA, like Philly. Not Miami. You thought my friend used to see Shinobi on Snapchat. Yo, Shinobi's Snapchat, man. Yo, I know some shit about Shinobi's Snapchat that he would crash out.
Whoa,
if
wait,
I told
wait, I told you?
Oh yeah, you told me.
No, yo, bro, that's like the one thing you could never tell anyone.
That's your deepest, darkest secret,
No,
bro.
that is, dude, that is I don't even remember the information we traded for me to tell you that. I think
bro. Oh, brother, I know.
I think you just asked enough times to where I was like, all right, bro, like you're my friend, bro. I'll tell you. You guys did not want to know why I deleted my last.
If you ever backdoor me, bro, just know I got that in my back pocket.
Oh no, I got plenty of stuff on you in my back pocket, bro.
You don't.
Yo, you guys want to see Kiflo drunk in my no?
What? Never fucking drank my life, weirdo.
No, I was just making shit up. Shinobi, I just want to say appreciate. I've been here since I was helping Michael, your mod, choose the colors for your Discord server profile picture. That's crazy. That's insane. That is OG. That is the OGest of OGs. Why did a guy named David just ask me? Or add me on Snapchat? Says you had beef with Prophecy? Bro, fuck that guy. Fuck that little Mexican, bro. Back when Steel taught support and resistance? Dude, that is OG. Add David back, bro. I'm not adding David back on Snap, bro. Bro, literally just added me. My Snapchat's public.
Ugly. How can I make it look better? Tradeovate, you can change your Tradeovate chart, but I wouldn't, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Just keep it like the green and red. It's chill. Use Tradeovate on TradingView. Yeah, you could use TradingView. Can I recommend a copy trader that I use? Copy. Yeah, bro. Go ahead. You're not allowed to share links, but you can say the name of it.
You share a link, you'll.
I know. Like Replicanto is one that a lot of people use. TradeSync, TradeSyncer, or TradeSync. A lot of people use that as well. I think those are the only two that I know of.
Yo, Key.
Yes. Yo,
let's start a TradeSyncer competitor.
No.
Wait, can we ask our streams for business idea help?
Yeah, ask them.
Yo, guys. So we want to 3 or 4 of us want to get, like, me and my friends, we want to make like a trade SaaS company. What do you guys have any good ideas on like what trading problems do people have that we can make like a software company out of? So we can rinse you guys for even more money. I'm joking, obviously. I'm not making a prop firm, no. SaaS means software as a service. Not signals related. Signal bots. All right, you got start a hedge fund. Actually, we have a lot of people who want money or who want to give us money to trade for them, but we just denied all of them. Do you guys know? Do you guys know? Wake Up Filthy, the producer for Cardi. He actually hit up me and Key. He wants to give us money to trade for him. We said no. Custom animal themed dildos. Bet Harmon.
Yes, if you have an individual account, you can trade and execute on TradingView.
That's minus Aura.
NGL Key, because NGL Key, you got some NPC viewers. Bro, a lot of these guys are new, bro. It's okay. It's all right. You think my short entry at 23, 522.5 with a 10-point stop at the high still running? Fire, bro. W entry.
Yo, Key, you want to hear what the bright ideas my chat came up with?
Yeah, let's hear him.
SMS service for your guys' signals. Signal bot software. Start a hedge fund. And then someone said, bail on the SaaS, go into custom animal themed dildo niche. It's a gold mine.
Yo, your chat is like coming up with really good ideas, bro.
Oh, dude, that was actually insane. All of them be, I'm like, the way I worded it, I was like, what problems do you guys have that you want to fix? And then everyone thought, oh, sometimes I don't get these motherfuckers alerts or I can't join the live. We need an SMS signal service.
So cooked. Yo, almost 600 viewers. I was here when there was 120. Yo, almost 600 viewers, guys. Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Yo, everybody better like the stream up, bro. Like up the stream, gang.
Yo, guys, get me to like 400 viewers. So like Keyflow doesn't have way more viewers than me because he's got 3 times my viewers right now. Chat, this is kind of crazy.
www.
I think the way you posted on your story, like how many people saw your Instagram story and came from that? Oh, also your TikTok blew up today too.
Yeah, I called out that idiot.
Dude, the way he was like trying to be all nice and shit and the fucking
Funny, right?
yeah, dude. I was like, all right, bro, you're cooked, cuz. SMS signals, bro. We're not sending signals on SMS. Paid trading view indicator. Honestly, guys, the thing is, the way me and Key trade, there's no indicator that can be made with it. OnlyFans, dude, I'm not fucking Key on camera, bro.
Or
Those-
what are you saying?
There's
You
some
never
shit I
say
like
that
to.
again.
There's some shit I like to keep private, and that's one of those things, guys.
Never say that shit again.
Create a Groupon, like company for all prop firms, but the issue is that like that wouldn't be fair. Like, say one person's more popping on social media than the other, it really wouldn't make too much sense. Eat food like a pig and post it on OnlyFans, bro. You're like a ball hair away from being banned, QV. Keyholes on OnlyFans, bro. Who gives your balls a taper? Dude, you guys are crazy. Word on the street, Keys getting a copy trade. Yeah, Joshua Orland copy traded him. Submit trading. Like, who cares about trading algorithms? Bro, I don't know where my nose just gets stuffy. Dude, can we just limit in and get a banger here? Can we just get a banger here? Looks like we're gonna get filled here soon. Bro, what are people doing, bro? Up and coming trader. What the fuck, bro? Come on. Bro, how have we not gotten filled yet, bro? Oh. Don't open one with 50K, bro. Start with $300 on AMP. They let they let you what do they do? They let you do the fucking one mini for $300. Start with that, bro. Don't. And honestly, bro, if you're not a good trader, you're better off putting that into long-term investments. Real shit. But take it, jeans. I ain't even wear them yet. Can we get filled, cuz? AMP rejected your application? Damn. You're like to short targeting, you're lit. What? Confluence is the bro. I feel congested out of nowhere.
That was way out of my budget. So instead, I decided to build one. I bought an abandoned 1980s supercar sitting in a public junkyard. And the price? Just 500 bucks. Witness the transformation? Let's do this.
No way we got edged. Bro, Apex was sneaky the way they advertised 85 lifetime dude, literally. But they extended it, so I'm not too mad at them. Bro, can this fucking fill, bro? What the fuck? Oh my god, is that a GAM3? What? When you start the next 300 challenge? I don't know yet, guys. I really don't know if I want to even get into it. Like, if I want to do it again, I've done it 3 times. Like, I gotta really just come to the realization that not everyone's gonna be able to catch every trade with me.
On the highway, track car sitting in the driveway. Pull up, do.
Right, then they see me, you know, he like, yeah, follow me. So I'm thinking everything's all good. So
Y'all hear the barber noise? No. You want long 450? 450.75, yeah. Can this just fucking pull back? Bro, why did it not fill us? Unless you wanna ask when they got so empty, I apologize another time. Yeah, are you? Yeah, I'm waiting on this limit, honestly. If this edges us, I'm probably like, this is probably the only limit I'm gonna take. $86. Oh, that is fire. Bro, but I don't know if I want to wait that entire time on stream. Loki, that's 70. Yo, look at 7350, 15-minute BPR. 15-minute. Boop. See my wrist drone. Everyone else fuck with me for benefits. No. My bad. I go acapella on nothing. All right, bet. See, like, bro, you know who that is, right? Don't say the name. Type shit. Yo, bro, I want to get like a night vision camera. Then she wanna ask when it got so. What? What the helly? What the heliante? Who's M3 is that? Are you talking about the Alpine white G80 M3 with CCB? Oh my god, Ivory interior comforts? That one? Full carbon package? Yo, Key, bro, I'm so excited for this carbon shit to come. Yo, can we... wait. Yo, chat, do you guys want to see... Would you guys be down to see me... Wait, Key, can we put that shit on by ourselves? All right, bet, bro. We could do it on stream. While we're, like, waiting for a limit. How much stuff... What exactly did we get? We got the grill. Oh, that's gonna be sick. Stubby said not to. All right, but dude, I'm so fucking hyped. Wait, we could put in the front mount intakes ourselves? No way. And we got all the snap-on tools. I knew those that $700 ratchet gun would come in handy. Carbon lip. Can I give some unsolicited advice real quick? You would get calmed on, dude. Oh my god. Yo,
Discord's there, bro. If you want to buy it, buy it. If you don't want to buy it, don't buy it, bro. Like, it's chill.
bro, dude, wait, Key. How crazy would it be if we got like a car lift in here like in a year?
We can, bro.
That would be so fire.
You got the F1 car? Nah, we didn't yet. You think the army helped with your discipline? Yes, bro. 100% it did.
Cool.
I was just very undisciplined as a human being.
You got to get a Valvetronic exhaust. No, I'm gonna get one. So,
dude, no. Whoever told you that, time them out from the chat for 24 hours.
No, one of my friends is starting like.
Hold on, I'm deafening for a second.
Like a carbon company. I'm gonna buy an exhaust company. I'm gonna be his first customer. But guys, hold on. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys something cool. I don't know if it's ever gonna get old. Like, I don't think you guys understand, bro. When I was a kid, this shit used to be like my fucking dream, bro. Like, I never thought that I would ever be able to afford a M3 when I first, like, when I was a little kid, bro. Tell us your story before you got into trading. So in high school, um, I used to sell fidget spinners. I'll buy them for like $2 off a Wish. Sell them for like $5 to $10 in school. I used that money to start buying fake Supreme and started selling it. Then I got my first laptop and I started doing graphic design for Fortnite Twitter accounts. And then that's how I made my money to buy my first MacBook. I bought my first MacBook, and then that's where I started to learn how to trade. Real shit. It's crazy. The car lift idea, we already had that idea. I just didn't know if it was possible.
All right, I'm back. What happened, Shinobi? Hello? Hello, Shinobi? Hello?
Yo.
Hello?
Yo, I'm here.
Hello? Yo, what's up?
Where do we leave off at?
I don't remember. We're talking about the car.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Hey, is that a real car? Can you hear it, bro?
Nah, you should let him think it's a green screen, bro. It'd be so much better.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. So we were talking about exhaust. Yeah, the Valvetronics. I told him that my friend started a exhaust company and like a carbon company. I'm going to be their first customer.
No, you're not our first. You're not the first. One of the first. Yeah, I'm not the first.
I'm going to be the first one to get an exhaust, though.
Yeah, you will. You will.
Hi, Jew Flow. Someone said Jew Flow.
What's the reason for the lower limit? Lower limit is this 1 hour BPR, bro. I'm a big fan. Big fan. 1 hour BPR down here. That's why I like that.
You sold weed in 8th grade? What? See, like, that's just stupid. The ROI on doing illegal things is just so dumb. Nothing's worth your
I'm
freedom.
gonna link to the website.
I mean,
the website is not up yet. It's currently being developed by my girl's actually developing it. Like,
that
she's
shit.
actually so good at it. The shit looks insane, bro. It looks so fire.
She's a web developer? I thought she was, wait, what is she in college for?
Bro, she's not in college, bro. She's out of college. But, like, she low-key does it all, bro. She's literally just the fucking most insane human being on the planet.
Damn, she's never met Tyler Toney from Dude Perfect, if you think she's the most insane all-around person in the world.
All right, anyways. Give Shinobi some Hot Wheels so he doesn't have to sit by that car.
Dude, I just keep looking back and I'm just like, damn, bro, this shit's really mine right now.
Is there any chance you remove the 1 hour BPR limit, or can we leave it there forever? The only way I remove this 1 hour BPR limit is if we break this high. If we get above this high right here, the daily high we have put in, I will in fact remove the BPR limit. It's the only way. Otherwise, that shit is fully intact. Is your girl a trader? Hell no, bro.
Bro, my girl
not allowed to trade. My girl's not allowed to work, bro.
Dude, my girl asked me, she's like, yo, can you teach me how to trade? I was like, hell no.
Yeah. We miss our entry, I guess. Nah, bro, it'll be fine. Don't worry. Don't stress, my heart. Chill. Now, 467 level feels like it might hold. Yeah, but yeah, I wouldn't have been stopped out on it. It would have been close. But let's see. Let's see. It's only up 10 points right now. I don't know. Maybe there's a chance it could hold that 467 level. I still like this one more, bro. I still like 56 and 86 more. I like these more. So if it goes from the 67 level, then I simply just don't get a trade here and I end up potentially taking a trade tomorrow AM. You guys got to understand, bro. Listen, you're not going to catch every move in the market. I just tweeted about this a little bit ago. Especially when you guys see things like this, if you have a move mapped out, right? And if you think, hey, I think that the market might bounce from this area right here, and the market ends up bouncing and it doesn't hit your limit, okay? You need to be perfectly content with letting that trade go, knowing that there is another trade. You always got to have some sort of a long-term vision, right? Missing one trade is not going to make or break your daily P&L. Missing one trade isn't going to make or break your weekly P&L. It's not going to make or break your monthly P&L or your yearly P&L, right? It's not going to change a single thing. When you look at it from a long-term perspective, look at it from your quarter, right? From a quarterly perspective. Is missing one trade going to change your quarter? Most likely not.
I mean,
right?
if you're Justin Werland, it will, because he would have been red on the year if it wasn't for your trade. Just saying.
Yeah, true. But yeah, you know, like, don't stress out about missing a move. Don't try chasing it. If you miss the move, let it go. There's always gonna be another trade you can map out. All right, I promise you, the market is not going anywhere. All right, there's always gonna be another trade that you could take. Always. All right. Aside from that, midnight has just opened, right? Midnight just opened. This is very important, guys. Pay attention to this. Midnight opened. No manipulation underneath midnight. So this means that we are going to manipulate under midnight at some given point in time. We are going to manipulate under midnight. So this is not a good long. This is not a good long here. Under midnight is where I would look to long. Okay. Here, I do not care for long. Do not care. Apologies, bro. Can you explain the BPR? Yeah, so BPR is literally you just take an inverse gap and a fresh gap, and where they line up is a BPR, right? So I'll give you an example. This here, from there to there, is a bullish fair value gap. This here, back here, is a inverse fair value gap. The area where they overlap is called a BPR. That's a balanced price range. So that's BPR. That's BPR for you. Why not allow your woman to trade so they can fish for themselves? I don't want her to fish for herself, bro. I want to fish for her. How about that? You trade QT? Nope. We'll be doing some sort of challenge like Shinobi. Not doing any challenge. When we hanging out IRL, Twin, I don't know who you are. You just rage bait me all day.
Bro. So
Are
many.
you trading live account with Tradeovate broker or different? Yeah, it is Tradeovate. It's Ninja Trader, which is technically Tradeovate. What'd you say, Shinobi?
Low-key, we could throw an event. Like a free
Like an
event.
in-person event?
Yeah, like just hanging out with traders and shit.
Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't make it paid though. I hate when people do the paid like in-person events.
Yeah,
bro.
no, it wouldn't be paid. No, hell no.
I would never make an in-person event paid. I would like for sure do an in-person event. I would like cover everybody's costs and shit. We could be, you know, it'd be sick, I think.
Oh no, I wouldn't
I
cover
wouldn't
like any cost. I would just say like, hey, if you're in the area, you can pull up.
No. I'm saying if we like genuinely set something up, right? Like if we like rent out a space and do like a in-person class or something like that. That's what I would do. That ass, I'm coming to Philly tomorrow. All right.
Yo, next time we go to a car show, you know you're gonna be at a car show. We could just let people know, like, hey, we're
It's
gonna be here.
Lopez from Supply, bro. Oh my, wait, Lopez from Supply.
Who's
Wait, what?
Lopez?
I don't know. Lopez from Supply. I don't know who that is. God forbid something happens to you. Wouldn't it be good for her to trade and support herself? No, bro. Nope. I don't want her. To
Yeah,
support
so she could
I
go
need
and
her to be
support another
completely
man,
dependent
bro.
on me.
What?
No, that's not why.
No.
I enjoy like my girl like doing nothing and like doing her own thing, whatever girls do, and I enjoy like being the one to support her. That's it. Nah, I made that up. We have a bunch of Mexicans in the Marine figure in the Army.
Do you guys know how?
Who is you, Twin?
Yeah, I don't know why. Like people would like you guys see how stressful trading is. Why would you subject to someone you care about to like that sort of stress? You know, like a lot of you guys are unprofitable, so you guys don't see like the actual stresses that come with trading. Like, bro, taxes keep me up at night, bro. Like, fucking, you guys see how long me and Key are up, how early we're up, and how late we stay up till like every single day. Why would you want like someone else to do that if you're already doing it? You know, it just doesn't make sense. That's of course
Are
just
you
me.
married or just dating? No, we're not married yet.
Nah. Who's that? Who's that one guy that clipped the stream the one time? Yo, clip this shit and send it to her. Clip this shit.
Why don't you open a bank account in Dubai or something?
Bro,
Not
that's
that
not.
easy.
It's not that easy. Like,
That-
bro,
it-
that's like
You can't
saying,
just open a bank account in Dubai, bro.
Bro,
and
that's
just,
like-
get away with it.
dude, that's like that one girl who's like, oh, if plan A doesn't work, I'm gonna move to Miami, buy a
Yeah, just buy
business,
a business.
learn everything about stocks, and thrive on my own. Like, yeah, like life is that easy, dumbass. Just open a Dubai bank account, bro. Like me when I don't know what I'm talking about.
Why would you live in Philly when you can live in Texas or Florida where you save on income tax? Bro, because my family is over here.
Yo, we don't
So,
live in Philly. Pennsylvania isn't Philly.
I'm not talking about. Shut the fuck up and let me finish, okay?
Yo, bro, you talk to me like that
I
again,
don't-
bro. I'll come all over you
Well,
for
I
having
don't-
a Discord.
Anyways, my family's over here, and I prioritize being with my family at the current point in time over saving on taxes and shit. I still find ways to save on taxes. I'm not going to reveal my strategy, but you know what I'm saying? Like,
Just don't pay them.
bro, people tell me all the time, yo, why don't you move to
Puerto
what's it
Rico.
called? Yeah, why don't you move to Puerto Rico or whatever? Like, yeah, it all things considered a pretty good idea, right? To move to Puerto Rico and live there 6 months out of the year and then live in the US 6 months out of the year. Yeah. But that's 6 months out of the year that you don't see your family, which, to me, I value being around my family more than I do paying some more on fucking taxes. And you can't just defer taxes with an LLC or a business. You can save on taxes. You cannot just defer taxes completely.
Something that people don't realize is like Alex Hormozy said it best. Like when you're on your deathbed, would you like you're not gonna be there like, oh, I wish I was worth 300 million instead of 100 million. You know, it's like, but you're gonna regret not living where you wanted to live just because of money.
Isn't that an Arabic name? Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, I'm Muslim, bro. That's why that's my last name, man. I live in Toronto with my family, and I live in Toronto and my family is here. So would you recommend I move or stay with my family? I mean, bro, if you want to move and you prioritize you moving and like getting a change of scenery over being with your family, then do that. For me, if I want to change the scenery, I just travel, bro. I'll leave and I'll go somewhere else for like 2 weeks, whatever, however long. I don't have like any ties to, a job or anything like that. So I can realistically, I could leave anywhere for a month if I wanted to.
Well, here's the thing, bro. The army comes a knocking.
Anyways, so that's why I don't care to like move at the current time being.
Also, at the same time, like when you have like your family, like I know a lot of people, like you probably fight with your family a lot, or you get into those things where you just need time away from your family. That's why we low-key even have we got edged to oblivion again, dude. Look at this.
Bro, it'll come back down, bro. Relax. The
It's
midnight
about
just
to
open.
inverse.
No manipulation below midnight. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, bro. Totally
I
fine
know,
with it.
bro. Stop,
Do you want me to give you
bro,
the lecture I gave earlier?
Bro,
to the
dude,
chat, or?
dude, you don't have to talk to me like I'm some unprofitable ass. Bro, can I not be mad that my trade didn't work out and I've been sitting here? Can I not be mad? I'm gonna be a little annoyed. I want to be a little annoyed right now, and there's nothing you can do about it.
You have a G80 M3 sitting behind you. You want to be annoyed over a shit trade?
Oh, this Alpine White with ivory interior, CCBs, X Drive, and M3 Comp G80 behind me. That one.
You live in Toronto? Hell no, I don't live in Toronto.
Bro, if you ever ignore me like that again, bro, bad things happen. Wait, I wonder how far Subby is. Subnish.
Let me understand your guys' trade thoughts and gold. Let me said yes. Don't be annoyed. That's noob.
That's a noob. Who's
other dude sounds like Nick Airball. Who's Nick Airball?
Who the fuck is that? Other dude? Well, let me tell you about this dude, bro. He's got a
Why
G80
are you paying
M3.
taxes? That shit optional. True.
Dude, that's not funny, bro.
Thoughts on trading and if it is Islamically allowed? It is Islamically allowed.
Dude, oh my god, we got mini trades in here.
Y'all are giving Sasuke and Naruto.
Sasuke and Naruto.
I don't watch anime.
No, dude, actually, that's such a great reference. Sasuke and Naruto. Because Sasuke's like a dickhead.
Whoever the better one of those guys
Well,
is,
I mean, Naruto is better in the end, but I mean, Sasuke's dope as fuck. But he's like a dickhead.
Really, I'm just both, to be honest.
No, Naruto, dude, you don't have an inkling of Naruto in you, bro.
You can vlog from prison, bro.
You can stream. Yo, I had this one dude in my stream one day.
Shinobi, look up Nick Airball, identical voice. Yo, look up Nick Airball, N-I-K Airball.
All right, so that was a gay porn star. That
No way.
No, I'm playing. Wait, why is he followed by PV Investing? And Nate? Nate, you know Nick Airball?
Yo, I'm Shikamaru.
What's up, guys? Nick Airball here.
No, I do not sound like him, bro. Shikamaru, he was smart as fuck in the show. So basically what
me.
No, you're not Shikamaru, bro. You're definitely a Sasuke.
Somebody said that's my boy Shinobi. B Swan FX. You know him?
I do now.
Oh damn, B Swan. He doesn't even
Shout
know
out my
who you
boy
are.
Swan. B Swan.
He doesn't even know you.
Why is
I'm scared
Spiffy
to
calling
join the army
me?
and then getting so profitable.
Yo, I'm
where I
streaming.
don't need the army.
Yo, get on Fortnite.
Bro, I'm not getting on Fortnite. I'm streaming.
Bro, get on Fortnite after.
I can't. I have someone coming over.
Well then, why aren't you and Key in the Discord?
Oh, we're talking about a call right now. We didn't want to hear Tig join and be like, hello.
Yeah, I didn't want to hear anything about Tig either.
Tig Loki pissed me off, bro. He's been talking shit.
Tig was talking shit?
Bro, look what he fucking sent, bro.
What did he say?
Well, he's not talking shit. He's just being an annoying retard.
Dude, Tig, why are you being an annoying retard, bro?
All right, I'll hit you up.
I was 4 and I was bored. I needed that 20K, bruv. I needed that 20K.
You didn't need it, bro. You didn't need it.
I absolutely need. Without that 20K, I would not have kickstarted my career the way I did. Like,
Kickstarted
literally.
my career.
Yes. What made you join the army and not all in on training, bro?
Bro, you guys
told you I didn't have money. I didn't have money, brev. And then I got money, and now I'm all in on trading. Are you leaving that limit if price goes much higher? No, I told you guys if price breaks above the high, I'm gonna remove both the limits.
All right, let me go to 1 minute. See what we got.
Can you talk about the story about? No, bro, I'm not. I'm not gonna be talking about that story.
What story?
You can just go back in the stream and watch it.
Wait, which story?
We're not talking about it anymore.
Which story?
But I didn't join because I'm a user.
Yo, which story?
I'm about to join. Bro, stop enabling it, bro.
I just want to know what story it was. If you already talked about, like, what is it?
Bullshit drama that we've been on all the entire stream. No?
That story.
Yeah.
Yo, Key, go on the 1 minute. Go on the 1 minute. Look at that higher 5 minute gap.
What time frame am I on right now? I'm the 5 minute.
Look at any one of those. There's two that I see.
We have equal lows here. We fucking created equal lows, bruv. Yeah. Wow, bro. Equal lows of doom.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
These shits are gonna come back and get chuzzed. Yeah, I'm seeing what you're seeing. The 95 and then
94.
95 actually.
94.25.
No, I have 95 even.
Where'd you draw it? Oh, I see where you drew it. Yep, 95. I like 95.
No, it was 94.25. I like 95 though. I like 95 for short.
I'm gonna try it.
You gonna try it?
I'm gonna try it. 5 point stop. Oh, dude, please don't start with the hymns, bro.
I could be down to try it. Yeah, 5-point stop. It's kind of worth it. Do a 5-point stop there. I'll try this out right here. I'm gonna remove these lower limits for now, the 56 ones. I'll try this.
What do we have other than 56? It was 50.75. I'm going to keep that one.
What's good, Fulbright? What's up, bro?
Yo, Kia, are you going to come here in the morning?
Yeah, I told you.
Are you going to be able to get here on time? For sure?
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Dude, I still can't. Dude, I took my dad on a drive today in the car.
Mm-hmm.
It was like, dude,
And?
surreal feeling. Surreal. Like,
I just know he was so unimpressed.
no,
Like,
dude,
seemed
he was
nonchalant to give you a reaction.
no,
He
he's
did not crack a single smile, bro.
no, bro. He loved it, bro. My mom, you see how like my mom was like screaming and shit when I was speeding. The only thing I told him to drive it, he didn't want to drive it because he was like scared too. So I need to warm him up to the idea.
Bro, don't tell we're going higher.
I think instead of I might. So here's what I'm stuck on, guys. I might upgrade to a supercar next year, or I might buy my dad a X5M.
Nah, buy your dad an X5M. You don't need a supercar.
Yeah, I'll just drive your supercar.
Yeah, you could drive mine. There you go.
Or you know what would be really crazy, Motion Key? Like in like 2 years, 3 years, when we got like mad bread, bro, let's both fucking put our dad in Cullinan's, bro. Like we bring him to the warehouse. We're like, yo, we got something for you guys. It's just too
That'll
big.
be dangerous because I'm gonna be driving that Cullinan most of the time.
No, but 2 big bows on 2 big body Cullinans, bro. Oh my god, that would be sick.
No. I need the Cullinan.
Oh, I hear Subby.
For real?
Yeah, hold
So
on.
he really pulled up, huh?
Yeah, hold on, guys. Let me open up the garage so you guys can. Oh, I hear his car. Hold on, let me see.
What all ICT have you watched? I'm curious. I've watched like a few, bro. I haven't watched too much. I probably in my entire career, I've probably watched less than 20 ICT videos, I would think. Joined in the YouTube during Asia session last night. Took that in Q long from. Thankfully, your lifetime is still. Hell yeah, bro. Let's go. Fire. Did I just get edged? Did I just get edged?
Hold on, guys. I have to move my. Hold on, let me set my stop here. I have to move my
Did
call.
you get filled? I got edged.
I got edged too. I'm keeping the limit for now.
All right. In terms of your first option looking like for your next car, 720S right now, bro. 720S. What do you think of the analysis above? I took along the bottom of the move to be lined up with multiple higher and lower FEG in 1 minute. Took out SSL at the bottom of that leg. Seemed valid. Yeah, not bad. We did take out this low. So, yeah, solid. Only reason, again, I don't like longs is because of the midnight open here, bro. Midnight open, no manipulation under midnight open. So this has to see lower before we see higher. What happened again, that yellow and black Urus? I mean, I'm still open to it, but the 720S is like my number 1 option right now, to be very honest with you. What model do you trade? My own model. It's based on PO3. Targeting Asia lows? Yeah, right now I'd be targeting Asia lows. I'm going to watch that 56 level that I initially wanted. Let me put that up. 56 level that I wanted, I'm going to watch as well. That'll be important. But Asia lows is where I would prefer. Yeah, we did get edged like 3 times already. This truth. Yeah, we have to manipulate under midnight open in order to go higher. Have to. The reliability sort of, that's the problem. That is the only thing that's like kind of holding me back is the reliability issue with those cars, man. It's just fucking horrible. RSQ8. Take a year or so over an RSQ8. I know that sounds like kind of hype beast or whatever, but yo, hell yeah, Subby, what's good? Where'd you take profit be? Take profit be these lows and then Asia lows. Where's equal high? It's not equal highs. We have equal lows right here. These are equal lows. If you're at PO3, are you interested in New York Open Judo swings as consistent? Yes, I am. If you look at the trade recap that I uploaded, and if you go look at the stream from this morning, that's what we took. We bottom ticked the entire New York move this morning.
Low key.
I'm not in shorts because I didn't get filled, bro. I got
94 might have been it, key.
Yes, I trade on live every day. I don't know why 94 rejected, though. We now have equal highs here at this fair value gap. It should hit the gap. I would think it should hit the gap.
Same. It's probably doing the same thing from yesterday, engineering that lick.
Yeah.
Is it equal?
When do you even sleep? Do you basically trade all sessions? Well, I'm going to sleep here shortly. It's not going to be long. I'm going to go to sleep, and then I'm going to be up at like 7 a.m. Going to stream at 9 for the morning sesh. And then I don't do anything after that. So, you know, I could get like a little nap in after the morning stream. I mean, live account, or what's your allocation stack? So I have 20 Apexes, I have 2 TPTs, and then I have my live. The only thing
Did TPT fix your thing that you were having?
Yeah, they fixed it. I passed the account, but bro, it's actually so retarded.
What happened?
To activate the account, you need to put a utility bill, bro. For proof of address. It's the most retarded shit ever.
A utility bill?
Yes, bro. So they can like confirm your address. It's so stupid, bro. It's like that should actually piss me off. It's like, bro, I'm not fucking I don't.
Oh, Key, guess what just happened?
Go find a utility bill, gang. Huh?
Oh.
Are you gonna fucking say, or
I'm not gonna say. I'm gonna send you a picture.
Where?
Discord. Big ups, big man ting.
Big man ting. Oh yup. Oh yup. You know what's crazy, Shinobi?
What? What? Send me yours. Dubs.
W's.
Oh, no. No, don't get in this.
When are we gonna meet the husky? What do you mean? There's a preview of the site. I'll show you guys in a little bit. It's called Bimmer Source. Why does TPT ask for SSN? No, they're from. No, they all ask for that, bro. They have to do their KYC, so that's why SSN is like required for every firm. Hedge me, please. What is this trade based off of? This is a 5-minute gap right here, bro.
Oh, we got filled.
Yeah, filled there. The narrative behind this trade is obviously the no manipulation leg under midnight. So midnight hourly candle has opened up, no lower manipulation leg at all. Same thing that we were looking at for the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour, what did I tell you guys when it opened up and started pushing? I told you it was going to come back down and put in the wick, right?
I'm going to look to target those equal lows we put in at 59.
Yep, same. So these equal lows and underneath midnight is where I would be looking for this trade to go. Honestly, I should have put on a little bit more size. I should have put on 2 minis here so I could have some scalability, but I only have 1, so it's fine. I'm not going to have a limit for my take profit. I'm just going to be watching price kind of like in this area and see what it does and how it reacts. And if we continue like pushing lower, I would definitely be okay with holding this to the Asia lows.
Same.
It only filled 3 micros out of my 10. Where's Big Char? I don't know. He was in here earlier.
Big Char switched up. Oh, I almost leaked. That would have been bad.
Leaked what?
What he got?
Is Big Char legit? Yeah, bro. Big Char is like my best student, bro. Aside from Justin Whirling.
Yeah. Technically, he's my student since you were my student.
Oh, you're mad funny, bro. I've never in my life been your student.
I don't know, man.
When do you go BE or you don't? No, I definitely go BE. I just want to see like an actual reaction here before I go BE. I'm not going to go BE like right away. Big Char is on losing streak. It happens, bro. It happens. Was Justin for your student? Yeah, bro. He's currently my student right now, bro. He's in here watching. He's probably in the same trade. Good student. Can't wait to see this website. I'm about to copy and delete soon. Let's go, bro. W.
Yo, how much do you think George Saliba would give me for my M3?
Probably either high 70s or low 80s.
No, I'm just seeing.
Are you in longs or shorts? I'm in shorts right now. I mean, he had the one that was a shittier spec than yours listed for 89.
Yeah, he had a shit spec listed for 89.
Yeah. Well, he also
yeah.
If he listed for 89, he's trying to make 3 to 2K on it. So he probably bought it for 85, 84. He'd be paying so high, bro.
Because he can move it.
Yeah. Because he has a lot of dumb rich kids that come in.
He can't, though. That's the issue. It's been there. He can't move it. That's why he's not buying any that are not, like, the perfect spec. You know what I mean? What's the idea behind this trade? I just explained the idea behind this trade less than 5 minutes ago. Just go back in the stream a little bit, and I explained it. You trade ES also, or you just use it for bias? No, I just use it for bias and for
Dude, George Saliva's not getting any M3 for 60K. You guys are tripping. He's overpaying for hella shit. His office, though, is sick, though.
You saw his office with the Lamborghini logo?
Yeah, no, I need an M logo. We need M logos and shit.
Yeah.
That was actually hard as fuck.
Did Justin Signal about you? Yeah, bro.
Shinobi, did you get with Anna de Armas yesterday? Guys, chill out on that. Chill out on that, please. Yeah.
Yo, let's hop off the Justin topic, guys, and let's maybe like focus on the trade that we're in. Thanks. Appreciated.
Yo, I just found out that MTCS is 3 owners.
Thanks in advance, guys.
It has 3 owners? Flip that. Key.
What?
The M5 CS sub he was looking at has 3 owners.
Yeah, I mean, he can get a different one. He doesn't have to be that one.
I know, but that one was run through.
That one is like every other M5 CS. It's literally the same thing. What's my TP? TP's my TP's equal lows. Yo, is Subby in this or no?
No, Subby's not in this. I told him not to get into any trades until me and you were like sitting there. Like,
did he activate accounts yet or no?
Did you activate all your accounts yet?
Yo, what the fuck is the signature page?
He's doing that right now where it says signatures. Dickhead.
Do you usually look for manipulation wicks every hour? That's interesting. I've never looked into that. Yeah, that's just that's like basic PO3. I don't usually look like every hour. It's too many. The frequency is too high. I usually prioritize 4 hour and daily.
You wanna know
In
what
this case,
Starboy got?
midnight is like super important, so that's why I am prioritizing this midnight no wick.
Okay, you wanna know what Starboy got?
What?
He got like a 2024 Mustang Dark Horse or something. So we just let out a little snicker.
Once you pass on Apex, how long do you have to activate? You have a while. I think you have 30 days, right? Confirm, Shinobi?
Yeah.
Pretty sure 30 days to activate.
I mean, they
Link
say
entry
do it
to
in
the
24 hours.
No.
They say do it in 24 hours, but you should do it in 24 hours.
Why is midnight open? Why is midnight important? Midnight is important because it's a true open. So it's like it's similar to a daily open, right? Where you'd want to see if you're long, you want to see a manipulation below midnight in order to long. If you're short, you want to see a manipulation above midnight, so on and so forth.
It's one of those things.
So right now, midnight has opened with no manipulation to the downside at all, right? We just midnight opened, immediately pushed up into this 5-minute gap. So we assume that this move upwards is the manipulation leg. We short down to the lows where we anticipate a manipulation leg, and then we go like bullish bias from there. This is so fucking slow though. Holy shit. Really, really slow. If I pass tonight or tomorrow early, can I activate by noon? If you pass tonight, you have to be able to you have to activate it by. No, it's by the end of the day tomorrow. Why does Shinobi have supply and demand as an Instagram highlights? Genuine question. I don't know.
Dude, that's like from 3 years ago, bro.
PST time. So every time you say midnight, I'm thinking London Open. No. I'm midnight Eastern. Midnight Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah. Wait, Keith, they could sign agreements within 24 hours and then pay later. I think.
Oh, okay, nice. There you go.
I'm
What are
not
your thoughts about
100%
1800 being the low right now? 1800 being the low? What do you mean? What do you mean 1800 being the low?
Is that the timestamp? 1800.
Thanks for teaching something new, bro. Yeah, bro. If you tap into the streams, bro, I'm telling you guys, I give so much sauce on here, like more than anybody else you've ever encountered in your life.
All right, unless they've encountered
you guys
me.
tap into the streams, you guys will get a lot of free sauce, bruv.
Why did someone just? Oh, I can't even say that.
Wait, so if there's no manipulation during midnight, do you always trade the opposite because of that? Yeah. So if you see
Sign through Apex, yeah. I only own me 88 gig, but I got some money for new investment. Just looking, makes sense. We're trading NQ futures. Guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Like, I mean, I would answer questions if you guys asked a little bit more. What's the best way to learn order flow? Honestly, just watching my YouTube videos and then watching order flow during market hours and just seeing how we react. Why don't all rejection blocks work at the highs and lows? Because if every rejection block worked, then we would just trade like this, sideways. If I'm $200 away from my payout, but I keep switching strategies, so then Asia gold is not correlated with silver, then why does Trump always move the market when Powell is talking to Warren Buffett? No. See, that's the issue right there. That's the issue right there. I just won't talk on it too much, but that's the issue. I recently just understood that rejection blocks work because it protected highs and lows. My brain is slow. Yeah. Put me on a clash deck. Doesn't news today affect market conditions for this trade? Like, is it going to leave equal lows and stuff like that? It might, but guys, you have to remember that Asia session is literally the session that Asia and London set up for New York. So anything that happens during Asia and London is usually going to be resolved then and not in New York. And anything that's left is what New York trades into, if that makes sense. Most of the moves that happen have been in Asia and London session. Shinobi, do you standard deviation? No. Am I mudded with group account? I've never had that happen to me. Trades with you. Honestly, reach out to their support, and they should be able to help you. How long do you stream till? Usually, really depends on my mood. Are you gonna stream New York? Yes. I'm making it a point to stream twice a day, every single day. Oh my gosh, Shinobi, is that out of the kindness of your heart? Yes and no, because I'm gonna make bank off affiliate. You can't say I wasn't honest with my intentions. You got any watches? I have a Yacht Master right here, but I don't really like wearing my watches anymore. I used to, but I really stopped giving a fuck.
Yo, I should sign on all of them, right?
What?
I should sign on all of them.
Yeah, you should cite all of them.
You got the mouse for this or no?
Huh?
You have the mouse for this or no?
Yeah, it's in my
It's
book. It's in the back of my G80 M3 ivory interior, Alpine white, CCBs. By the way, it's in the trunk. You can grab it.
Are these the certificates that people be flexing on TikTok?
Yeah.
Bro.
I mean, it's a lot harder for regular people to do it.
Well, yeah,
You were,
outside fucking-
yo, God, chat.
Outside, yo.
This subby here, he literally came yesterday, traded for the first time past 20 Apex accounts. He was just signal body me and Key right next, sitting right there, next to us.
Off the free YouTube, by the way.
Off the free YouTube stream. And by the way, this is, and then he just passed the 20 counts. He's like, yo, are these the certificates people flex on Instagram? Bro, he's got 20 of them now. How much did you pay for the G80? Low 80s, I think. I forget. Why? What's wrong with that?
People ask how much hairspray for that 80. He's like, yo, don't worry about it.
Yo, don't worry about what I paid.
Just know that CCB's individual comfort.
Yeah, just no CCB's individual comforts, bro.
You never know who's watching. What if somebody's watching that works at JNS cooked?
dude, that bald motherfucker.
Yo, tell a stream about how you tried to say that car sold.
Yeah.
And the salesman didn't know.
What's up, guys?
And then he got tight when you walked in. He sat inside and left.
Dude, that was so funny,
that was
bro.
the craziest thing. He tried, bro. I ripped up his card right in front of Key. I was
Huh?
like, bro, fuck this guy.
Wait, what did
He
you?
gave me his card, right? As soon as he came in, he left. I looked at fucking Key and ripped up the card. I was like, bro, I don't want this guy anywhere near any deal with me.
Bro,
I
George.
do not know what cars are on the lot, bro. I don't care when you came back from vacation or whatever. You should exactly know what cars are on the lot that are sold.
Bro, yo, guys, you want to know something funny? So yesterday, hold on, let me undeafen.
Population above or below it.
He's still yapping. All right, yo, guys, so something funny. We're with this like car salesman yesterday at this dealership. Me and my friend parked our
parked your.
Oh, I parked my M3 and then he parked his M4 there and we're walking by it and then they're like, "Oh, can we see the keys of this? Can we see this car?" I was like, "Yo, you got the keys to this M3?" And then he's like, "Nah, it's sold." And then as we're walking away, I kept turning it on and off from my key. And he didn't even notice. But when we were leaving and I got in the car, he started laughing. He's like, "Yo, I don't even know what he said, bro." It was so funny.
Yo, I was on vacation. I didn't know it was your car. Like, I thought I was not there. I'm not familiar with the lot because I've been away for like 10 days.
Yeah, he was like, "Oh, I'm not familiar with the lot. I've been away for 10 days." Like, he was like, "Oh, yeah, it's sold." Fucking idiot. Like, bro, people really half-ass their jobs, bro. Like, even if you've been away for 10 days, your first day should have been spent walking the lot, making sure, like, dude, have some pride in your work, bro. That's why I love buying from companies like Oakley and, like, North Face. Bro, you go in there, you ask an Oakley employee, like, anything about the glasses or whatever, bro, they obsess over that brand, bro. They're like, "Yo, we have military contracts. We did this. And I'm just like, "Yo, I fucking love that shit. Take my money." But then I go to a company, like a store, and I'm like, "Hey, like, what do I do?" They're like, "Oh, I don't know." Fuck you mean you don't know? What the fuck are you doing here then? Like, have some fucking pride in your work, you know? Chat, is it cooked if you're in college and your girl is in high school, but you're 17 and she's 16? Yo, what the fuck? Dude, that's crazy.
And delivers a new high.
Yo,
then
Flower.
let it break even for it.
Yo, Mr. Flower. I'm going to keep my stop at 23,500. I'm going to keep the 5-point stop.
Yeah, that's fine. I moved BE just because of this 5-minute gap.
Oh, I don't trust this 5-minute gap.
Why is your bias bearish? My bias is not bearish. My bias is bullish. But you gotta like really be an intellectual human being to understand why I'm taking the short. I'm going short then long. You know what I'm saying? I can't get over my ex, bro. Yeah, you're probably cooked. I'm gonna join up on premium. I've been looking for someone to join that seems solid. Sounds like he coached half the space. LOL. Yeah, basically. You smoke weed? No. I don't do any drugs. I typically use the 5-minute chart for executions. Newbie here. Yeah, 5-minute. Sometimes the 1-minute. Sometimes they'll even use the 15-second. Depends. It all depends.
Oh my god. Fuck you.
Is shorts cooked? I mean, I'm break even, so if it's cooked, the trade's free either way.
Yeah, I'll move my stop to BE too.
Who learned from you, bro? Like a good amount of people. A good amount of people. Not just like my strategy, but just like maybe just random things in general, whether it's psychology or strategy. I used to give dodgy one-on-ones about psychology, but it didn't really do anything because the guy's psychology still fucked.
Oh, no, I hate TikTok web.
But yeah, I mean, I don't know. 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 Yeah, a bunch of people, bro.
Doesn't look right when you scroll. It's so weird.
Only
Did you
up,
say it's a
only up $400.
Huh?
Got to call it a night. Work later to win. Can't wait until me IRL. There you go, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're up, bro. Take profit.
Looks so small.
I'm thinking price draw up, go to the highs and take it out, then go down.
Dude, I lost my Vision Pros.
How do you lose vision?
What'd you say? Oh, your Vision Pros?
Yeah.
You're an idiot.
No, they're
I
at
think there's
Sony's.
probably
They're at
only
Sony's.
about-
They're at Sony's.
Oh.
Speaking of Sony, I need him to send me the pictures of me with the F80 when I was a kid.
You mentored Dodgy? Yeah, bro. I used to give him one-on-ones, literally in my Discord. How does that top hourly RBC look? Hourly, yeah, it doesn't look bad, to be honest. But I wouldn't. If this trade doesn't play out, that's like the next best thing. But if this trade doesn't play out here, as soon as this trade is over, I'm gonna call it on the live, just because I still got to be up at early to stream for you guys for New York. So I gotta get some sort of sleep here. You know what I mean?
I might
Advice
stay
on
on.
$700 drawdown on a 50
Lifetime.
account. I hate micros, FYI. Well, $700 isn't bad though, to be fair.
Yeah.
And low key for 50K, I would use micros, Rev. I would use micros. You put a down payment on your GTV or just buy a full? No. I would put a down payment, bro. I would not buy a 200.
Bro just said blasted that to my stream.
That's just kind of foolish. What are limits you're leaving overnight? Right here. 386. 386.
Yeah, no. That's like the only downside to it.
You gonna stream on YouTube? Yes, bro. I'm gonna be here, right here on this YouTube channel at 9 a.m. Listen, yo, if you guys are in here, get the schedule right now. 9 a.m.
What? Yeah. How would you guys play 50K PA accounts? Max 5 micros. Unless you know what you're doing. And then I'll just literally just stack it up over and over and over. What coin is this? All right. No, yeah, if you pass your Apex now, you won't be able to activate until tomorrow. What?
Do I have to pay within 48 hours?
Within 24. 24. Yeah.
I wonder why so many European girls are paying the price for these stupid woke.
What? Yeah, that was my friend Key. Is any yo guys type 1 in the chat if you guys are in this trade right now. How long have we been live for? We've been live for 3 hours. Damn. That's crazy. 6, 7. Fuck you. Hmm?
The subscription to 50K turn contract straight away is canceled.
No, that's because you activated the account. It's not an eval anymore. A morning? What? I'm in Longs, bro. Angel Sanchez Torres, Guatemala.
Backpack in the trunk.
Yeah. Bro. If one of you guys actually showed up to the warehouse, dude, we would have to like beat your ass or something. Yeah. Cool. Oh, where'd you grow up? Northeast. What coordinate did you grow up at? Yo. Shit, this is a late stream. Yeah, bro. Yo, Key, NGLski. I might end stream after if this gets BE'd. I'll leave the door open for. Wait, you got the key, right? Yeah. Harris. I can hear crickets in the background, bro. We need to close the garage, but Subby's cars. Huh? But no, cuz Subby's cars stank like fucking nitrous oxide and carbon monoxide and dioxide and all the oxides. Oh no, there's no bugs there. I put spray there. Don't let those cars run while you're inside, boy. Don't need you dying from carbon monoxide. Early this morning. Shinobi, can I touch you? What the fuck are you on, cuz? Dude, this trade is taking forever. I hate trades that do this. Let's see what the 15 minutes looking like. Hourly candle closes here too. Low key, I might. Why do you read those comments? You're enabling them, bro. Like, I skip all the ones that say something bad about you, bro. Bro sees that someone mentions Shinobi and he just runs to read it. Like, what am I gonna say? I don't even know what they look like. That's the issue, bro. It's like, I could roast these guys pretty well if I knew what they looked like, but I don't. 30. Oh, without the promo, it's still 140. Yo, that hourly candle just closed. Wait till I tell your girl about this Leah. Let me have a fucking joke once in a while. Dude, shout out. Me and Verona's sister locked in, twin. No, dude, that ass. You would trade her for like a goat. Like a goat or like a cow or something. He's trying to trade his sister for a free Apex account, bro. It's closed, cuz. They're just loud as fuck, bro. You just never been here at really late at night. Yeah, you weren't here late. Yo, bro, now you're just fucking Bolsheviking. Huh? What are you getting? Dude, I'm telling you, these motherfuckers are planning a lick on me. Shinobi, you ending stream after this trade? Probably, to be honest. Probably. I'm really not in the mood of just looking at this shit anymore. It's 1 a.m. Said almost done on the project update, then opened the doc for the first time. I got hit with the request access screen. This shit. That's happened to me before. Do you have any more good limits? I have one more, all the way down here, but I'll let you guys know. Bro, what is that guy working on?
Is that even him, bro? I don't know.
No, that's him. He's like, he does like metalworks and shit.
He be putting in that pain though.
Nah, dude, every night he's putting in pain. You know what he does during the day?
What?
Feeds the cats.
He's a good sizzler.
Yeah.
I know what you want.
Let's see. Do they have my tomato bisque?
I don't. Not gonna lie.
You checked?
Yeah. I was gonna pre-order you fucking garlic knots and tomato bisque.
Damn.
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 Something said on Key Stream that I sound like fucking Badger from Breaking Bad.
Dude, I don't even know what that is.
You never watched fucking Breaking Bad?
No. I never got into it, bro. I don't fucking like.
Show was gas.
Dude, that show was mid as fuck.
Hell no. Power and Breaking Bad are so good.
Mid and midder.
You don't want anything?
Nah, I have my beef and rice with hot sauce.
Little diet plan.
Huh? Little diet thing. No, it's not even that, bro. I low-key fuck with it. It makes me feel full.
Fucking good. That's good backgrounds. You be tipping on DoorDash?
Huh?
You be tipping on DoorDash?
Like $1.
Same.
I used to.
I feel bad
sometimes.
sometimes, bro. $1, $2 is max, bro. Big order, maybe $5. I'm feeling generous.
Dude. Should I close right here for plus 100 and get a payout? Yeah, get your fucking payout, Luck. Dumbass. Get your fucking payout. Dinkelberg.
I was wondering where you spawned this trouble hot sauce from.
Yeah.
We need to get both surround system.
I got Alpha Advanced today and I'm down 1K. Locked out. Good shit, dude. Always secure the bag. Who's 340i? That's Subby's 340i with a big turbo. Oh, it auto-locked you out? That's crazy. Subby, what else does your 340i have?
Injectors, manifold.
Injectors, manifold.
Upgraded clutch.
Upgraded clutch.
Clutch, delay valve.
Clutch delay. What the fuck is all this? You put that in yourself?
No, hell no.
I was like, what?
Motor reflex. It's tuned on CD919.
Wait, how fast does it go? Like, it's fast?
It's on base map. We didn't turn it up. Because we went through. This is the third transmission.
This is a third transmission?
Yeah, because, bro, we kept trying to lift. And then the tuner was like, bro, I'm not gonna lie. If you keep blowing these transes, there's no upgraded, like, billet options. So you have to no lift shift every single time. So he coded it in no lift shift, and then it's been good ever since.
So how fast does turbo help at all?
No, 100% it helps. But, like, right now, we're more for sound. It's
Oh.
still faster than, like, a
Regular?
full bolt-on car.
Oh,
DS2. If they know what that is.
no idea. Is this Furu still selling supply and demand? Nah, I've upgraded. I'm starting to sell weight. I'm starting to sell pounds. I'm starting to sell coke. George Moron. A motherfucker named George Moron is going to tell me. Join April 26, 2021. You're a faggot, dude. Hide user. Get BAND. Banned. Do you sell drugs? No, dude. Sometimes I feel like it would be cool to like sell drugs or something like that. Dude, what is this fuck ass market doing? Yo, what's this fuck ass market doing, cuz? Low key, I want to just low key TP. and just go to sleep.
You know, you can be it's like GTA, but it's for selling weed.
I close the position. Key, I close the position. Key, I close the position for green. I'm just letting you know to give you good comms. Otherwise, I don't care, bro. I just got tired of looking at it. TVH.
If you want to know what it feels like to be a trapper, play Schedule 1. You know what that is?
No, you ever play Ready or Not?
No. I heard of it, though.
Ready or Not's fire.
Schedule 1 is literally a game about just selling weed. Like, you can get, like, a bigger warehouse. You can have some runners and all that shit. It's kind of crazy.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm not liking this. My only other limit I like is 7350. This is a limit I'll leave on overnight. Other than that, I'm good. No, I might stop at 6350. This will be a 10-point stop for me. Let me let the Discord know. Huh?
That picture is insane.
Dude, I don't even know where they got it from. All right. Anywho, guys, I'm gonna call it a day, or I'm gonna call it a night. We've been streaming for 3 hours. Shout out to all 200 people who've been here, guys. Let's get to 100 something likes. There's 167 of you guys. Everyone who's in the stream, like up the stream. I want to see if we could get to 200 likes. We're already at 63. I'm gonna refresh. We're at 64. Okay, you guys are fucking bullshit. You guys are fucking with me now, bro. Like the goddamn stream, goddammit. Fuck. I'm refreshing one more time. 72. What the? Where the fuck are the other 100 people? Why did we just lose a like? Yo, guys, like up the fucking stream, bro. Let me hit 100. Fuck. Like, damn, bro. Let me just get all I want is 100 likes. Like I streamed for 3 hours today. We're at 88 likes. 12 more likes. Please. Please. Anywho, guys, I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow for New York AM. And yeah, we had one good alert. The other one was kind of mid. The short, the long was good. Yeah. I will see you guys in the next one.